Welcome back. As promised, let's talk about Sona Comstar, which recently completed a QIP worth nearly 2,400 crore rupees. We got in touch with Sunjay Kapur, the chairman of the company, to understand the company's growth strategy, what they would do with the funds, capex plans, etc. Let's hear out a slice of that conversation. The stock up nearly 2%.
So, industry is growing, the market is growing as far as we're concerned. We're capturing more market share, and therefore we hope to continue to see growth. Growth drivers, as was discussed today, in fact, at the ACMA annual session, is going to be exports. Domestic market is also growing. I think new opportunities in terms of supplying into different kinds of vehicles. I think even components, the component industry is also going to see great opportunity in terms of software, and brand new systems altogether. The competitive landscape is also changing, and therefore we're going to see a lot of opportunity in the components.
Do you see some sort of muted demand going forward, considering that we've seen a slight correction in demand in passenger vehicles as well?
So, it's cyclical. I mean, our industry is cyclical, as is any industry. However, when you look at the long-term perspective, from a long-term perspective, there is a lot of growth opportunity. It's very promising. Everything we're seeing. We're also looking at it as a mobility industry, and therefore, it widens the scope in terms of demand and supply.
Right. Now, speaking about funding the future growth of the company, there is a QIP that Sona Comstar has launched. I believe you cannot talk much about it at this stage, but give us a sense of where you would like to take the company in terms of future investments and future growth.
So I think, one, we have a lot of capacity enhancement that we need to do as well as the market grows. Secondly, we want to look at technology. And when you look at technology, we want to see where we can play a role in the future. So we'll continue to look at technology. We'll continue to look at the expanded mobility space, and how we can play a role in the expanded or the expansion of the mobility space. So I think that's really what we're going to do.
How much capex would you like to put on the table this year?
So I think we've got a plan of about 1,000 crores over the next 3 years. So let's see.
Any kind of hurdles that you see to growth right now? Any kind of challenges?
No, I think it's all about investments in technology. That's and I've been sort of talking about that for long. The fact is that the markets will see cycles, and we need to ride those cycles out. I think this is a great time to sort of regroup in terms of building efficiencies in businesses as a whole, and I think it's a good time for the auto component industry.